Hello friends, it's Jen. Welcome to part 2 of the setup of my Erin Condren academic planner. Hello friends, welcome back, and if you are new here, welcome. I am so glad you're here because today is part 2 of the setup of my Erin Condren academic planner as my content planner. So in today's video, we are going to finally be setting up my July monthly spread, as well as the dashboard and projects pages using a kit from Lemonandhoneystudio. So if you happen to see part 1, then you would have heard me say that I received a gift card to Etsy because I'm an Etsy affiliate, and I was able to choose what shops I used the gift card in. I had selected some items from Hancanplan, and you can see those in part 1. And I picked up some stickers from Lemonandhoneystudio, and unfortunately the mail lost them for a little while, but thankfully they're here. But the problem is I am setting up my planner late, so that is okay. I'm gonna do it today with you. I love her kits, so let's just look at it briefly. So you get this page, which is your headers. I chose the decorative sidebar, but you can also get it lined. I got 2 sheets of deco because I loved it, and I love using the deco on my dashboard pages. And there's this sheet. So I am so ready to jump in, but I also just want to show you that I had picked up August in case you want to get it, because it's so pretty. And I do have my Etsy affiliate link down in the description box. I will earn a small commission at no extra cost to you if you use it, just so you know. But here is the August kit. It is beautiful. I again got the decorative sidebar. They're too good. I couldn't pass them up this time, but I have gotten the lined one and love that as well. And I got 2 sheets of deco again. So pretty. But today I'm going to put August in my back pocket, and we are going to work on July. Oh, also look at this cute freebie that she sent me. It says summer bucket list. It's so cute. Okay, so I generally don't decorate this planner too much, but I do really enjoy using a kit on my monthly, and it's not that I have to, but it just makes it fun. So I really enjoy it. So I am going to say this might present a certain challenge to me because I am used to bringing the planner quite close to me to get these lines straight, but I'm going to do the very best I can to keep myself in frame. So I'm going to start with these headers, and these, like, there's a meant to be a little gap at each end, meaning, like, see how it doesn't go all the way to the edge. And how I kind of use line it up is knowing that the days of the week are going to go on this bar, as you can see here, and the days themselves are on the other sheet. So I kind of line it up like that. It's pretty straight. A little too low. Oh boy. Yeah, I have to get closer. So what you're seeing me figure out in real time is that actually all I really needed to do was to line the edge of the sticker up with the gray line at the top, and that it actually matches perfectly. So when I flip the page, you're going to see that this side goes down much easier once I've figured that out. So, you know, live and learn. And now I know for next time. I'm still kind of new to using kits, but like I said, I've gotten quite a few from Lemonandhoneystudio, but I would still consider myself a newbie with kits. I've been decorative planning for quite some time, but more so with just like, you know, singular stickers. So I still find the bigger stickers like a little tricky, but I was able to pull it back up and I think I got it pretty good. But the only thing I'll say is you can see the gray line poking like just a hair right there. It's really not a big deal, but I may just like hit it with a little white pen because it might bug me. But man, this kit is so pretty. The other thing to take into consideration is lining up the sidebar. Like, I think it's going to be okay. All right, good. And actually, it's probably meant to go this way. Yeah. Okay, good. Maybe I'll do that next. Now I'm putting down my sidebar. You'll see that they are meant to line up together. It makes a picture together. I am having a little trouble here, but also I can be quite a perfectionist about it. I did see a reel recently where Pam said to lay the sidebar down first. I have not tried that, so that's a tip from her. That is pretty. All right, so there is a thin washi to put at the bottom. Sometimes I do. Sometimes I like to use it over here because I use some of the decorative stuff over here. But with this design, I'm kind of thinking I want it. I like bringing in that color. I don't have to use the dates, but I want to because it looks really pretty in this one and it's easier for me to see. And I'm also going to put the days, and I like a Sunday start, so that's what we're going to do. Oh man, that is so cute. That is so cute. I need to now add the days. Oh my, that is so cute. I love it. So I also want to add the Independence Day to the 4th. I think I'll do these balloons just for fun. That looks cute. Oh my goodness, you guys, this is so cute. So I will be adding some deco in, but let me see. I think what I'm going to do now is start getting into the dashboard and the projects page, which I'll just show you. This, because this planner is meant for a student, it says projects and exams, but I don't have exams, but I like to actually use this page for like short-term projects. So I just white it out. Let's get into this. So I do usually like to start by laying down some headers. Obviously don't have to, but often I may change the headings, such as important dates. Can vary from month to month. I usually do have an important dates section. Throwing down, you know, just some corner pieces. I like to mostly keep it functional, but it does bring me joy, like I said, to make it pretty, and this is definitely making it pretty. Here I am changing my mind about the florals and then changing the positioning of the box so that it does remain functional, because function is the whole purpose of this. And then I'm just going to add a little washi and a couple corner stickers just to add just a small bit of decor on this page. Okay, I like that. That is so pretty. I love this kit. It is just gorgeous. And I may not need to even write anything over here, but if I do, I have purposefully saved some boxes, although I haven't done the other page yet, so we'll see. I could put a box if I need to, but a lot of the time I don't need to. Mostly what I track on my monthly spread is my YouTube videos. Okay, I think I like these two pages just as they are. I just do some simple decoration. I mostly want it to be functional, but I think this is really pretty. And I do have more florals, but I think I want to keep this open because I'm going to use that to write out my monthly social media goals. So I think I'm very happy with these pages. Now, the only other thing is that there are 5 notes pages in the academic planner for each weekly spread, which is awesome. And I just wanted to lightly decorate and set up these. So this, I want to track video ideas. So some people will do like a wide washi across here and have like a heading sticker to go over it. But I don't have that for these pages, and to be honest, I don't usually do this to these pages, but I kind of wanted to just because I'm just enjoying the move into this planner, so I think I'm going to do that. So I'm just using this polka dot washi. I love polka dot washi. So even though I think it would be so cute to set up the summer bucket list, I'm kind of wanting, I'm kind of wanting to use some of these. They're so cute, and I always hoard my stickers, and I just want to use them, and I really want to use them, so. Okay, I think I'm going to stop there. Oh man, that is so cute. All right, so let's look at everything one more time. And then in part 3, I'm going to put in my accessories and give you a full flip through of the setup planner. But man, oh man, that is so pretty. I love it. I really love it. And I'm excited to jump in here. I was dying to get in here. So I'm so happy to have this set up. This is looking cute. I kind of want something right there. Oh, I like that. That's pretty. I love it. Yes, I love it. Very pretty. All right, let me know what you think. Don't forget to check out my affiliate link down below for Lemonandhoneystudio. Show her some love. Her kits are beautiful. And I will see you in part 3. Bye.